What's up guys, welcome back for another video, and it's BloxsDevs back here for a new video. And in this video I will be discussing, it is super exciting, it is awesome because I made my own Tower of Hell game. So I used to play Tower of Hell, and if you don't know what it is, you can just go over simply in YouTube and search Roblox Tower of Hell, and you will see Pinkleaf, some other cool YouTubers who played that game. Okay, so I made my own game like Tower of Hell. So I really like Tower of Hell, and a lot of people suggested me to make that game, so I decided to make it. And it took me a lot of building, some scripting, but at the end I made it. You can always go check it out, link in the description. And in this video we'll be doing some gameplay of it. Hope you guys are enjoying. So before doing any gameplay, I just want to say you guys, please go donate, link in the description because I am making awesome stuff, and when I reach $100 of donation, I will let my game on copy locked so you guys would be able to take it, okay? So now let's get on the gameplay. So here I am in Roblox. I'm gonna go in my game which is called Tower of Blocks, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go over, click on it, and here it is. So let's just go over and uh, play it out, test it out, and you guys can see how good is it. And I think it is actually pretty good for a game that's been made in few days. It took me a lot of building and scripting, like I said at the beginning, and it wasn't really easy. So if you want to go check it out, go link in the description. Okay, so as well I got admin, but I will just play around without admin. So here, it looks pretty cool in my opinion. It looks really good. So here. I'm not really good at obbies, but I guess I'll do my best. I don't know if I can even complete my own, though I know it is completable. Hey, my friend Dwayne. Okay, cool. Hey, bird boy. Okay, so it is actually pretty cool. Okay, it's not really easy. Okay, so watch out. Oh no, I'm such a noob. Okay, let me just go over and try it again. Try that again. Like, I can ladder flick. I know that's pretty insane. But the rest I'm really noob. Up, up, up. Whoa, I'm such a noob. Okay, whatever. Let me just try to make that tower for you guys. It's not the easiest thing, but if you can make it, just comment. If you made it, then comment down below. I made it. Like, I'll definitely heart your comment. Like, I don't know. Like, I can't really make it. I'm not really good. But if you make it, that's a sign that my game is makeable, I guess, or finishable, or beatable, I guess. Oops. Oh, why am I such a noob? And as well, there's kind of trolls, so it's like some kill bricks don't actually kill you, just to make players kinda ask themselves. Like I want to see some players jumping over them. It's gonna be pretty funny. Though, not a lot of players playing my game. I mean, it just gotta. So this reminds me of Tower of Ike. Okay, yeah, yeah. I mean, yeah, that's true. It is based on it. You know what I mean? So okay. Can I finally make it? Like, am I that noob? Guys, comment down below if you actually liked it. Like, were you expecting better than this or like this? Just comment down below. Like, comment down below as well if you want me to continue making it. Like, example, adding like the timer and stuff, and like random generating towers. Though this will be definitely copy locked once I reach my donation goal, which is soon. Some people are said they were going to be donating, so that's awesome. So as well, you can go over and donate. Link in the description, like I said at the beginning of the video. Okay, so this is a pretty hard part. Okay, here I made it. Okay, here is a troll. So players are going to be actually doing like that, though you can step on a kill brick, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is so hard. I don't know if it's makeable. So we're gonna make the obstacle, probably means obstacle, change in a certain amount. Yes, I am. Okay, yes, I am. So, what am I thinking? Shortcuts. Who do you think? Who do I think I am? Am I thinking I'm Pink Leaf or something? I'm actually such a noob. Okay, so all I can do is ladder flick. That's it. Oops. Okay, you know what? I know the perfect way to make it. Well, I guess you can this still counts as making it, no? Like, yeah, right, everyone. Okay, okay. If I don't make this, that means I'm a noob. I'm just a noob at obbies. I don't know why. Yep. Okay, okay, okay. Finally, like seriously, it took me time. Am I such a noob? So I finally got up there. So I would have enjoyed actually this because this is pretty awesome. And let me just do one thing before actually ending this video. Oops. Okay, forget it. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like, make sure to go drop a like if you did. And as well, if you want to know like a tutorial on how to make this, simply comment down below. Tower of Health tutorial. And as well, if you want to copy locked, once I reach my donation goal, and you could help me with my donation goal by going link in the description and just donating some money to my PayPal. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did. Okay, uh, right, everybody, like and subscribe. And I guess I'm seeing you in the next one.